Hello Deriv traders, welcome again to this amazing video. So today I want to show you how you can trade on bullbot.site using the scanner section for rise and fall. Okay, there are other options, but I'll only focus on rise and fall because this is the most requested video, and so I want to see a step-by-step guide on how you can trade rise and fall on multi-scanner. So first of all, already you can see my previous trades. I took some trades on volatility 75 and volatility 725, volatility 10 and volatility 100. Volatility 75, you can see where it's indicated V25. Okay, yeah, you can see all those volatilities, and then now the scanner will scan these multiple volatilities. That's why it's called multi-scanner. It will scan all these multiple markets and then gives you entry point, signals, and all that. You understand? So this is all that you need to do. Once you're in this section, you will just be patient to study the charts because the AI is still analyzing the market. Okay, so all that you need to do, just go ahead to this section written trade settings over here. Go to trade settings and then click on a particular lot size that you'd want to use. So in this case, I'll be using for risk management, I'll be using 0.05. That is, I'll be risking $0.5 of the account per trade, and then I'll be trading on 1 tick. So I'd prefer you trade with 1 tick because these executions are very fast on such volatilities. So you can use 1 tick. And then we have the martingale. So the martingale function will always help you to recover in case of losses. You understand how that compensation logic works. So it will buy twice the initial stake in order to compensate for the previous losses. So go ahead and activate the martingale, and once you activate the martingale, all that is now needed for you to start trading is just clicking on the auto scanner. But before you click that, ensure that all your settings are set as per your expectations and that there's no any mistake missing. So it's always very important to recheck just in case you don't make mistakes, because remember, you'll be using your real account, so any mistake will cost you $1. So once all these things is ready, all that you need to do is just go and click on the auto scan, because you can see we are on a red, meaning buy, sell. We have sell on volatility 100, we are on a buy on volatility 10, and also on a strong buy on volatility 25. So just go and click on the auto scan, and now I want you to see how this AI will be placing these trades simultaneously and also recovering for the losses in case losses will be there, because you remember this is trading, and trading also there's risk of losing sometimes the entire investment. That is why this tool is gonna help you, especially for someone who's looking for a proper risk management tool. So let's just give it time for the analysis. As soon as it finds an entry, you can see it's still scanning. So as soon as it finds a perfect entry, the bot will start trading. The AI will start trading. So all that you need to do, just create your Deriv account. Once you create your Deriv account, go ahead and connect it to the scanner through bullbot.site. So just go search on bullbot.site, and then connect your account, go ahead to the scanner, and also have the same experience. Remember, this tool also is also suitable for small accounts. As you can see, I'm only trading on $11.32 account, and I've been growing this account from $2.5. Okay, right? So you can, if you use a proper risk management, the tool will always give you a good feedback. You can see it has taken some trades, $0.41. Right, that's a good move. So I just want us to use that stake to grow this account and see if you'll be able to make something out of this. So remember, this video is for educational purpose, and it's also informing you on how you can take effective trades on BullBot Scanner, and also you can manage your capital, especially on the trade settings, how you can be setting your lot size just in case you don't blow your account just for putting high lot size, right? So far we are on a loss 0.09. so it will take time, scan again for recovery, and then it's, you see, trading with this tool is just amazing because it's so cool, so relaxed, and you're not afraid of, there's no fear of, you can see it's taking another trade, there's no fear of, you know, how am I gonna take this market, how am I gonna do this and this. No. So I want us to watch this video till the end and see how you can trade effectively with this AI tool. So I need to look at the recovery. So it can take as many trades as possible so long as the stake is still on your capital. So I want you to look at it and see. Now I want you to check at the recovery. Okay. Yeah. So that is why I was using a lot size of 0.05. Okay. That's why I used 0.5, because 0.05, I mean, that is $0.5, because I know this is a small account, and in case you enter the trade before thorough analysis, losses might occur. So you can see my losses are actually matching my capital, so I'm not worried about losing the entire account. So let's just give it a chance. Like you can see, it's now all on sell. Right, that's another loss. Still doing some scanning. So if you want to find this tool, make sure you're part of my Telegram channel, where I provide such tools for free, and I'll leave the link on the description below, so you too can get this amazing tool and start trading as soon as possible. So I know you're all afraid whether this tool will be able to make something out of this $11 account. So that's why I want you to watch and see how this tool is gonna make some amazing profit over here. So far we are at 0.73 up. We are 0.73 up, and I'm just using my phone, so you don't need to look for a laptop or something heavy. No, this is a very simple tool you can operate just on your phone. Right, we are $1.14 up, and the tool has now picked on very serious analysis, especially on the volatilities that we chose. So you can see we've made some $1.14. That's for me, I would rate that at 70%, because yeah, we are in a profit. However much we started on losses, but now the tool is now appreciating the good work. Now we are, at least we are at $1.14, and it's still doing some scanning. Now to start on taking some serious trades, right? You can see from the recovery, we've made 3 successful runs, and we're now at $1.14. So this feature is only available to people who trade on Deriv. If you're a Deriv trader, or you want to start trading on Deriv, make sure you take this tool seriously, because this is what's going to make you get some profit trading on Deriv. Okay, so let's see how far we can reach with this tool. Correct, that's a profit, that's another loss. So let's wait for the recovery. Let's wait for the recovery. Wonderful. 1.64. So you can see the tool is able to recover for the losses. Another trade. Correct. $1.69. So I'll also do a video trading with big account. So you know, trading with big account is very easy. You won't be taking long in the market to achieve your take profit. But with small accounts, that is the problem that people who trade with the small accounts normally face, because growing an account becomes a bit difficult since you have to make several runs, at least to make you some $1, $3, $5. You know, at the end of it, you blow the entire account. So if you find this videos helpful, consider subscribing and also follow my other socials to get more amazing tools like this. Alright, so thumbs up. So let's just recover and then see you in the next video. So it'll be $2. We'll be growing this account day by day. So today we have $1.19, just as easy as that. Okay, so let's give it, we're at $2. Look at that, amazing. So I want us to stop at this and then we'll proceed from that in the next video. So make sure you check out the next video.